Aikari milioni 4.7 kuma kaunti-ini 16 guku bururi-ini matikoretwo makihimbiria uhuthiri wa cioro kuringana na ndumiriri irerekereirio ni ministry ya ugima wa mwiri. Mutafariri wa mihango ministry-ini no Dagitari Murang'a augite a Kenya ni magirirwo guthii na mbere na mutugo wa gwithamba moko niguo kugacirithia utheru itajira ya kuhurana na mirimu itiganite.
We saw a decline in some of the GE cases. We saw a decline in some of the conditions that would be transmitted fecal-orally, just because Kenyans were more particular about their hygiene.
Kuringana na Murang'a, gicunji kia 50 harĩ igana kia mathukuru matire na cioro cia kuigana, guku gicunji kia 98 harĩ igana gia thukuru iria ire icagi-ini ikiaga cioro.
And this will ensure that all learners stay in school and minimize stigma. These key documents are driven by the country's long-term policy goal of achieving and sustaining open defecation-free status and ensuring universal access to improve sanitation.
And secondly, the menstrual hygiene management in schools, again a handbook for teachers, reinforcing learning and also acting as a reference guide for teachers, such that it will remedy the various challenges that schoolgirls face while menstruating, and will work towards the provision of factual information to break the silence in terms of myths, taboos, beliefs and misconceptions.
Wagi wa maai mathukuru-ini ni ucungireirie thina uyu kwihiriria guku bururi-ini, ministry kiuga hari thukuru ithatu umwe uri na thina wa maai.
On a range of complementary strategies devoted to ensuring universal access to improved sanitation and clean and healthy environment, while putting emphasis on increasing public and private sector investment through private-public partnerships.
Thi yothe andu bilioni 2.5 matikoragwo na cioro guku bururi-ini. Kaunti ya Murang'a ni ya kaunti 16 iria ire na thina uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritorokani wa Njiro wa Foro.